In their first final, with their first trophy 90 minutes away for both Nashville and Inter Miami. These expansion siblings playing in the biggest game in either club's history. The Leagues Cup final is underway. Inter Miami, 43 trophies, including league trophies. One away from the most all-time in league in a world soccer, world football history. As what a move. It's from Will over to Mukhtar. Mukhtar back in. Over there from Nashville. Pico floating it. Surridge settling. Miller sends it away.
It's an 18 for Inter Miami and their fans.
Pico with Callender off his line. Callender gets there.
Over in these spots to provide the space for Messi and Kramaski to go forward.
Messi trying to get it into Kramaski. Now Shaq Moore around Lionel Messi. Moore! First shot of the game is wide.
Well, and rarely do you see Busquets that sloppy on the ball. But I think Lovitz and Shaq Moore have done a real good job early on in this game of just being...
Lovitz towards Pico. Krivstov recovers. Over to Surridge. Mukhtar is down. Surridge continuing on. Krivstov clearance only as far as Surridge. Now Mukhtar running at Krivstov. Mukhtar tries to cut it back. Running at Jordi Alba. Moore slides it. Mukhtar cutting it back. Wins the first corner of this Leagues Cup final. Drives it in, counter the punch, not clear. Yedlin help penalty, set piece goals, the most of any team. Long throw from McNaughton, Zimmerman's header is saved by Callender.
I mean, you can see why though, that's a long throw and it plays as if it's a corner. I mean, McNaughton throws this.
Forward, Jordi Alba into Robert Taylor. Robert Taylor, Panico makes the save. First big moment of the match. And Elliot Panico stopping Robert Taylor. Over to Pico, too far. Krivstov will let Callender come get it. Taylor coming behind as well. Kramaski in the middle. Taylor cutting it to his right, trying to get it to Kramaski. Uh-oh. Lionel Messi around Zimmerman. Messi!
Touches in the first 24 minutes of the...
Fouled by Martinez. Nashville wants to go quick. Yedlin sweeps it away. Messi in. Panico missed it.
Their team to get back into this.
Four in. Mukhtar. Krivstov got there first. Callender will come and gets. Slides it to Lovitz. Lovitz to the back post. Wheel rising up off of Miller and out for a corner.
This is so good from Dax McCarty. It is so smart from Dax McCarty to not play this ball into pieces. I'll tell you right now, every set piece from both teams has been dangerous.
Zimmerman knocks it down. Messi into Yedlin. Pico, McCarty. Mukhtar sends it in. Callender punches it away. Mukhtar, can he respond? Trying to cut it back on Busquets, he goes down. Back post, Mukhtar sending it back in. Surridge's header is cleared away by Messi, turning. Pico tackling it away from behind. Of Leagues Cup to make it to the final. Second half now underway in the Leagues Cup 2023. These two teams meet in their first final with a chance of their first trophy as Fafa Pico sends the first shot of the second half. 10 rows up into the crowd.
Well, Nashville had a ton of success.
Kramaski, Jordi Alba, cutting it back, Martinez. It was blocked by Zimmerman.
Lionel Messi's having words with Joseph Martinez.
Taylor, Jordi Alba. Comes off of Moore. McNaughton has to get it clear and does.
Driving the homegrown players to training. He's doing a lot of the little things. Great.
Offside flag was up on Hani Mukhtar, who started his run a bit early.
Yeah, but this is the run that's killer. This is the identical run that Hani Mukhtar made.
Yes, he's going to come forward. He's thinking about it. Sends line into Messi. Bumped off the ball by Pico. 3 matches and the 4th official in the final of the World Cup. Kramaski! Almost sneaking it into the back post.
Well, that was the best schrosh you'll see all night long. There is 0 chance he's shooting this. Great combination play from Inter Miami through the game.
Mukhtar flicked on! Off the line and in!
Set pieces, but this is going to be very, very close. I want you to watch. Expect the unexpected.
He's going to go quick. He is going for goal, and he sends it.
Second half here.
Godoy. Moore steps up. Moore! Calendar makes it.
Evan was just under 300, less than Miami.
Messi again!
Oh, my Lord.
The post! He took his moment in the first half, and he was inches away from goals against Philadelphia. There's Miami. Gomez trying to get it back to Messi. Oh, he turns Miller. Mukhtar coming forward with Surge to his right. Sam Surge! Calendar makes the save, and Mukhtar! And just wide.
What I tell you about Hani Mukhtar, it's 90 minutes.
Final before tonight. Mukhtar turning. Keeps it away from Jordi Alba. Goes down. Set piece coming for Nashville. Mukhtar! Just wide. Kill from Surge. Gets on it. Into space for Mukhtar. Who behind Ulloa goes down. Yellow card to Victor Ulloa, and a set piece coming for Nashville SC. Wanted it. He's on it. Mukhtar, the step over. Mukhtar! They say Calendar got a touch.
Absolutely.
He did. It's a save, and it's a corner.
Yeah, you could hear it.
Who's gets for Campana? Moore got it wrong. Campana's in to win League's Cup over Panico. Campana overloads. Oh my God! Lionel Messi against Panico. Waits for Panico to commit. Gives Miami the early lead. Scores with authority. 1-1 after Busquets against Panico. Again gets Panico to commit the wrong way. Advantage back to Miami. Saved by Calendar. Miami advantage after 2 rounds. Again, he can save. Again, Miami gets Panico to go the wrong way. The pressure really on Nashville now.